Clue Diced. How to play. The object of the game is to figure out which two suspects are guilty. Remove the 6 driver cards from the deck and return them to the box. They will not be used. Sort the 12 remaining cards into 2 decks, brains and brawn. Shuffle each deck and take the top card of each and, without looking at them, shuffle them, then place them in the case file envelope. Fold the envelope and place it confidential side up on the table. Shuffle the 2 decks back together and deal them out to all the players. Some players may have more than others. Players look at their cards but keep them hidden from others. Give each player a detective sheet and pencil to keep notes. Place the suggestion board, detective side up, in the center of the play area. The youngest player goes first, then play goes to the left. On your turn, roll all 4 dice, then make a suggestion by placing 2 of the black suspect dice on the suggestion board for brawn and brain. You are allowed to place the same character in both spaces. Next, the player to your left must secretly show you 1 card of their choice that matches either of the suggestions if they can. If they can't, then they skip and the next person tries. Once 1 player shows a card, then no more people show cards and you move on to the next phase of your turn. If no one can show you a card, then move on to the next phase. Look at the blue bonus die and perform an action based on what you rolled. Magnifying glass. Secretly look at 1 random card from any player's hand. Question mark. Make a suggestion for the 3rd unused suspect die to any single player. I. Lift the tab on the case file envelope and look at the color of the card shown in the notched out area, then close the tab and return it to the table. Pointed finger. Make a suggestion for any characters of your choice by rotating the dice to the correct suspects. After fulfilling the bonus die, your turn ends unless you want to make an accusation. To make an accusation, rotate 2 dice to the correct suspects on the suggestion board. Then, secretly look at the cards in the case file envelope. If you are correct, then reveal the cards and you win. If you are incorrect, return the cards to the envelope without saying anything. You may no longer win. All your future turns are skipped, and you may only show cards during suggestions. For the advanced gameplay rules, use the master detective side of the game board along with the driver suspect cards, including a driver card into the case file envelope. During suggestions, you still are only allowed to use 2 dice, but you can put them on any of the 3 options. A pointed finger allows you to suggest to all 3 spaces. When you make an accusation, you also place dice on all 3 spaces. The first player to correctly discover all 3 suspects for brain, brawn, and driver wins.